Guys, Shane here, Unity Beach. I've just popped up to the country club, Brean Country Club. It's where all our lodges are. It's where you can stay 12 months of the year. Non-residential though, holiday use only. But look at this. Hey, what a... Oh, shh. There's someone just trying to putt a ball. Putt a ball. On the 18th hole, guys. That's right, this is on the 18th hole. That's where the sunrise is there. Get sun all day here, guys. Look at that. You might have to just sit in the corner over there, but pretty much sun all day. What you can do if you want, you can turn this. We can take a panel of glass out and put some steps down onto the grassy area. You can have that as a barbecue area or a pet-friendly area, guys. Right? But look at this. Wow, unbelievable. This lodge is amazing as well. It sleeps 6. That's right, 6. Because it's got 3 bedrooms, guys. But look at this. Wow, absolute stunner. Amazing. Beautiful kitchen area. You've got a dishwasher and washing machine in there, guys, as well. Yeah, fridge freezer. Amazing. Look at this. Oh, feature wall paper. Amazing. There's some sliding double doors. So this one's called the barn. As you can tell by this barn door effect. Door. Storage in here, guys. Loads of storage. Amazing. Full size bath. That's right. Little skylight up there. Really nice. Love it. You can paint this. It's plasterboard. So if you don't like the colour, change it. That's what we like. Look at this. Flipping out. There's another mirrored wardrobe there. Amazing. This is great. Let's have a look at this master bedroom. Whoa. Wow. Look at that. Feature lights. Very nice. I like this. I like that colour. It's actually a very nice colour, that. Just in here, guys, we have got the ensuite. Little dressing area there. That's a bit close. Look at that. What a lovely shower. Beautiful, guys. Really like it. Oh, ouch. Let's have another look outside, shall we? Look at that. Swans nesting. Just gonna put my shoes on. In the evening. It's all lit up, it looks lovely. This is stunning. Oh. There you go, guys. This is the it's a Pathfinder Tuscany, and it is the barn. Thanks for watching.